Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up GraphQL server with Hasura for mobile apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up a GraphQL server with Hasura for mobile apps, start by installing the Hasura CLI. Open your terminal and run the command to install Hasura globally. Once installed, navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. To create a new Hasura project, use the command provided in the documentation. After the project is created, navigate into the project folder. Next, initialize a new Hasura project by running the Hasura init command. This will create the necessary files and folders for your Hasura setup. Now it's time to start your Hasura GraphQL engine. You can do this by running the command to start the server locally. Once the server is running, you will see logs in your terminal. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Hasura console, usually at localhost 8080. On the console, connect your Hasura backend to your preferred database. You can choose from various databases, such as Postgres. If you don't have a database, set up a new one using a cloud provider or your local environment. After connecting to the database, configure your tables using the Hasura console. You can create a new table by clicking on the Data tab and then Create Table. Once your table is set up, insert some sample data for testing. Next, navigate to the API tab to explore your GraphQL endpoint. Test the GraphQL queries and mutations using the built-in GraphQL interface. After verifying that the GraphQL API works, take note of your endpoint URL. Now, you can integrate this GraphQL API into your mobile app. Make sure you use a GraphQL client suitable for your mobile apps platform. With the client installed, configure it to point to your Hasura GraphQL endpoint. You can now start building your app using the data fetched from your GraphQL server. Make sure to set up authentication and authorization as needed for your app. Test your mobile app to ensure that it correctly communicates with the Hasura server. You have now successfully set up a GraphQL server with Hasura for mobile apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.